Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets. Black color, green color, red color, blue color, brown color, and the last one is yellow color. Now we coloring and draw capital letter alphabets. First we use black color. And now we draw A. A for apple. The next one is B. Now we draw B. B for ball. The next one is C. Now we draw C. C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog. D for doll. The next one is E. We again use black color. E for egg. Now we draw E. Kids, the next one is F. Now we draw F. F for fish. The next one is Z. G for goat. Now we draw G, and the next one is H. Now we draw H. Kids, now we use green color. H. H for hand. Now we draw H. The next one is I. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. And the next one is J. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. Now we draw L. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N. Now we draw N. N for nest. And the next one is O. Now we use red. Now we use red color and draw O. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose. Now we draw R. Kids, the next one is S. S for sun. Now we draw S. The next one is T. T for tiger. Now we draw T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we draw V and use blue color. V for van. Now we use blue color. V for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. We again use blue color. Now we draw X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Now we draw Z. Z for zoo. So kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.